sit on the chairs?
So we're on the boat now.
You want to sit on the chairs?
On the way to Elephanta Caves. I want to sit on the bench. You can go and sit on the chairs. Hey, the boat is finally off. We're off roll on the boat. Yes. We're away on the boat. The plan is a couple of hours at Elephanta Caves, see all the historic monuments and architecture and stuff. Wearing my new Shiver t-shirt today as well. And we're going to come back and enjoy our last couple of days in Mumbai. Bye bye Mumbai. Indian Coast Guard and some big naval ship over there. Well, two naval ships.
Okay, you won't fall. You won't fall.
So now we're approaching Jurassic Island, as I like to call it. Here in the Kiran doesn't, and it's just so that there is Jurassic World. Or it could be Hans Island. Depends which way you want to put it. So the boat has just docked at Hans Island for Hans' annual tournament of fighting. These are all the contestants I've got to fight against. So it's going to be a difficult fight, I think. Nature and safe future. Huh? Mini train service tickets.
Yeah, Raul will need that.
Definitely need that with a 3-year-old.
Well, let's get it.
You're gonna walk it.
First boat.
Hey?
First boat 12 o'clock.
Okay.
And then after every 30 minutes.
Okay. Is this the one going back?
12, 12:30, 1 o'clock.
How often do these trains?
Train comes after 5 minutes.
Oh, that's
Bye bye train.
We're okay. We have to wait for them.
So now we're waiting for the little toy train to take us to the entrance of Jurassic World or Hans Island tournament, however you want to put it.
Just have a look on the water.
And there's the island a bit close up. That's the train track. Yeah, lovely. This is the best one. And this one. Another train ride for Raul to enjoy. There you go. There we go, train. Well, a whole bunch of us, including me and other contestants of Hans tournament took the little mini train, thinking it'll take us from down there to the top, but no, it takes us around the corner and then drops us off. So now we've got the perilous and arduous task of climbing the hills. Lovely. Good old selection of tourist shops. Selling all manner. Selling all manner of cat. Obligatory dog. Walk past this one, Kieran. And here's a shot of me ice cream. Yum yum. Go upstairs, Maharani.
Let's go. Maybe they're sleeping.
Yeah, they're doing sippy sippy. Hello, doggy. Yeah, 10 minutes, but not with my gamble. We double.
That's not far.
No. I never look at the back.
How might get that t-shirt?
Look at these, Kieran, they're nice. These are nice. It's wood.
Wait till we buy our own place, because at the moment we don't know what goes where. We might not go with the
Fine.
theme of our new house.
What theme? What theme?
Yes, exactly.
I'm doing the theme, my dear.
You wait till
I'm doing the
and
theme.
then I'll let you know what will blend and what won't. Okay?
Did you
And
know
I'll
why I
give you
didn't-
authorization?
did-
What you can buy, what you can't buy.
Do you know why I'm doing the
We might
theme?
not want so many Indian things.
Do you know why I'm doing the theme? Because even though you're paying the
Oh,
deposit,
there's a monkey.
I'll be paying the mortgage the rest of my life.
There's a monkey.
No, Kieran, this way, come on. We've seen enough monkeys.
There's monkeys in the forest.
What shop you remember? What shop?
Very blue.
Look, the magnet's falling off.
Oh dear, already
You have to glue
broken.
it. You have to glue it back.
Already broken. We just bought it as well. Oh, Kieran, look. Kieran. Oh, it's a flat. I'm Indiana Jones, my dear.
Have you got a flat thing in
No.
your...
Oh yeah, have you? So now we're entering Elephanta Caves, and I'm sweating like a pig. It's so freaking hot.
Excuse me, sir. You want to buy it here? Without guiding, sir, miss the history. Today's okay, maybe.
Take
Why
it.
the police
That's a Shivji, right? That's a Shivji. That's Shivji. That's Shivji.
No, sir. Excuse me.
So, it's all the Elephanta Caves.
Put your hat on.
Really amazing inside. It's over 2,000 years old. Only issue is that I got to stop recording yet again.
We want to go next to 6 and 7, Cave 6 and 7.
I don't know what that is. No, yeah, but you have to go over it though.
You think?
Yeah. Look at the map. So I've got to stop recording again. I'm sure it's because I'm Indian and not white. Or not a
Don't be
typical
racist,
tourist.
please. Not in India or ever.
It's true. Anyway. I tried to do some sneaky recording but didn't get very far either. I'm sure these are eagles. Hello, doggy. How about Elephanta Caves? I might not remember right at the back. I don't know.